the higher office is concerned, ay yung decision nasa kanya yun eh. Siguro baka magpahinga na sandali and I'm sure he'll be back. Yung serbisyo publiko nasa dugunan niya.
Bossing Vic Soto recently had a quick chat with Ogie Diaz, where he opened up about the future of his son, Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto. With the 2028 elections on the horizon, many were surprised by reports that the younger Soto plans to step away from the political arena to return to a more quiet life in academia. When asked about Vico's decision not to seek higher office immediately after his term, he noted that Vico has already made a significant impact by introducing a brand of good governance that many once thought was impossible in the Philippines. Vico, who has been widely praised for his transparency and efficiency in Pasig, reportedly plans to head back to Ateneo to teach. Vic shared that his son has always had a passion for education, having taught in the past. While many supporters might be saddened to see him leave his current post, Vic believes a break might be exactly what Vico needs to recharge. He emphasized that the youth, the Gen Zs and millennials, who look up to Vico will continue to be inspired by the example he has set in the government.
Akala natin nung araw hindi posible dahil nga sa kalakaran na nasa kultura na ng Pilipino na ganun talaga, pag may lalakarin kang permit, mga maliliit na bagay na ganyan. May lalakarin kang business permit, kailangan meron sa ilalim. Sa totoo lang, kung diretso, mas mabilis. Walang extra bayan mula sa taong bayan. Pwede naman pala. At yun nasimulan niya sa Pasig. Kaya maraming natutuwa sa kanya. Alam mo, yung sinabi niyang papahinga muna siya, at wala siyang bala. I'm sure nararamdaman niya na hindi lang basta trabaho to, it's a duty. Pero siya nasimulan. Sana magandang ehemplo yung pinakita niya. Ako, sa ganang akin, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy siya ng gano'n yung mga kabataan, yung mga Gen Z, mga millennial na